What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Day 11 of Love Nailmas. And I'm back to share with you guys my new favorite acrylic nail products. I found some new stuff that I absolutely love. Also, I finally did my nails, and yep, I didn't film it. I was so dumb. I like totally forgot, but did my nails yesterday, last night, and I've been rocking them clear like this because I did my mom's nails today, and like I told y'all before, I always use my nails, as you can see, to clean up product from the side of her fingers when it falls. So got a little polish on my nails and some acrylic, so they don't look super great, but they were looking better than this. This one, it looks like I cracked it. I hope you could see, but yeah. This one, now these tips. Okay, well, I'm going to get into all of that. So, the products that I have been buying lately for doing my acrylics is from a local nail supply store, y'all, that I can go to, honey. You can order online, but I can actually go there, and that's what I love about it, because if I need something, I can run up there and go grab it, and I love that. It's called Sheba Nails, and I know I've mentioned it on the channel before, because I've talked about the new 60-second top coat that I love. It works really good. I think I paid like maybe $2 for this or something. All of their products are really affordable. They just about beat prices of most of the online acrylic products that I've purchased in the past. So really good affordable prices. I'll start with this. Their odorless acrylic liquid monomer. It is literally odorless. Okay, it has no smell at all. I don't know if I told you about this one already. I may have, but this has absolutely no smell. I've bought a couple odorless acrylic monomers, and they weren't odorless. This one actually is, and I love that. This is, let's see, I've had 2 bottles of these so far. This is my second one. And then I recently got a regular acrylic liquid monomer. This one is not odorless. So the difference between the two, this one being odorless, it tends to stay wet. I mean, not that wet. It dries quicker. This one, no, this one dries quicker. This one, it tends to be a little wet, take a longer to dry. I cannot get it out. But all in all, I still like them both a lot. They have their quick dry surgical glue. It's a quick dry adhesive. This one is 99 cents, and their other quick dry glue, this one's just $1.29, and they're awesome. When you need a good glue, this is the glue to get. This is my fave. I've got 3 over here. This is their self-leveling acrylic powder in clear, which is what I have on. I have on the clear tips and the clear powder that I used with this one, because they have a certain powder, which I do have actually, that you use with the odorless acrylic. So this one goes with the non-odorless. And then this is the Sheba Nails One Coat Primer. Nice size bottle. I think this is $4.99. This works really good. It is their stone resin. It's a thick crystal clear adhesive for applying rhinestones and other, nail art things you want to attach to your nails. Sorry about the glare. But this works really good. It's a gel and it has a dropper, so you just put a little drop on, put your little decal or rhinestone on there, and it stays. You don't have to put it under a gel lamp or anything like that. I also picked up, this is the first one that I've tried of the ceramic e-file drill bits, and love it. It is the smooth top in fine, 332. That's how it looks. I'm trying to get it to show the, there you go, the grid of it. Very smooth, but Really good for smoothing down the acrylic. I don't take polish off with this one. I use my other one because I don't want the polish to get stuck on the white. My little buddy. I got that off AliExpress, by the way. These are the Sheba Nails crystal cutout tips. You get 100 count nails for, I want to say $6-7. Comes in this case. I numbered them so I could just go in and grab the size nail that I need. Let me show you guys one. So sideways, that's how it looks. They're very sturdy, not flimsy at all. Like you can see, I'm squeezing it and you don't see it folding. You know, down here, of course, because it goes across your nail. That's how I cracked. Like, see how, let's see, this one has some little indentations because I pushed down too hard. But what I like about these is if you see this little line here, it stops once you get right on the top of your nail. It stops you where you need to stop at. Also, once you apply it, if you can see on my nail, you do not see the lines like with these that I have. These are from somewhere else. You can, when I get done applying my acrylic, you can see the line through my acrylic when you're done. These you can't. Now, it may be because I did clear and clear. I'm not sure, but I don't see it at all. It doesn't look like I have a nail tip on at all. And I really like that about these. And then you don't have to file them. They're already on there nice and smooth. And that makes it much easier. So you won't have to spend time, you know, filing that little hump down before you get started on applying your acrylic. So I really like that about these. Their nail brushes are also my new favorite. Now this one I messed up because I didn't clean it right away, but this one is a number 10. Looks like that. This one is new, I haven't used yet. This one's a number 8, and this one came with a kit, and this is the bag that it came in. It was $16.99 for the nail brush, the primer, and I think an acrylic powder, I believe. Yeah, I think it was one, two. I think it was those 3 things. $16.99, which was I thought it was a good deal. Oh, it says on here, try me kit. So it came with the clear powder and premium synthetic Kolinsky brush. Yep, okay. And then what I like about this also, let me share this with you too. And then I have this wax little pencil thingy. It's very long. Can't even, have to go way out here just to fit it in frame. Both ends to pick up rhinestones with. Inside of the kit, they put in the acrylic procedure, which I think is very helpful if you're, you know, like learning, a beginner, and you're not exactly sure what you're doing. It tells you how to do your balls and other important steps that you need when applying acrylic, and I think that's so nice. But yeah, so that's all of my new stuff from Sheba Nails. And here is their website, www.shebanails.com. I will leave a clickable link in my description box, so check that out. Make sure you also check my description box so you guys can follow me on other social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And yeah, that is it. Love Nailmas Day 11. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.